guys, welcome back. I have Mary with me today and we are going to be doing a blonde or brown balayage. So what I want to do for her is a lived-in, very piecey, rooted, light brown highlight, and then I also want to darken her natural. I'm going to be painting in between my foils today. I'm going to bring her down to a level 4 and I want her highlights to be at a level 7. So in general, I think when you want contrast, 3 levels are required. I want you to be able to tell that there are some highlights going on in her hair. For our consultation, see like a little bit of color on the ends, but again, no strong lines. So I think just for insurance purposes, I'm gonna go with lightener today with 20 volume. She's about a 5'6". You know, it's kind of a lower developer. I think that's just gonna guarantee us to get to our goal lift is a gold. So I'm looking to get her lifted to a gold. With clients that like change, I like to kind of stay away from the permanents, especially when going dark. So she's been cut fresh first. And what I do as a colorist is I just come through, I took a vertical section and I'm just gonna elevate the hair and I'm gonna kind of check to see what's going on with the layers. So let's get started on the right side. So my first section is going to be like right about here. So it's a little bit more vertical. And I'm using my small Goldwell brush. This is my favorite brush for foliage, or really in general foiling. And I'm just going to dig in from the root here. I'm doing that because I want it to be thick and chunky and have a lot of variation. So now I want to kind of determine maybe about 4 fingers or so from the root. Okay, and then I'm gonna hop over to the other side. Just dig into the top there. And we're just gonna zigzag our way up through the top. We are back from the shampoo bowl. Now what I want to do is apply a root shadow or a tap. And then secondly, just to make sure that everything, all the highlights blend. So we have Mary all finished, and just to recap for you guys, we did our vertical diagonal foils with Redken Flashlift in 20 volume. And I just love the way that this turned out because I wanted her to be dark, but I wanted it to have dimension. We got really creative through the back. Remember those foils met up, you know, they stopped about here, those vertical diagonals through the center back, and you guys can see how that turned out. Really pretty, nice and just kind of even throughout. And I think it complements her eye color really, really well. So she's able to be dark and light at the same time, but just in the right color family. I think it turned out really pretty. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.